flicker on the skyline. A shadow in the light. The forests whisper warnings, fading out of sight. The air is growing heavy. The ocean starts to cry, and we pretend tomorrow we'll never say goodbye. But I see the cracks beneath our feet. The world's heartbeat slows to sleep. Ashes in the rain, falling without sound. Silent are the warnings as we burn it to the ground. Ashes in the rain, washed away with blame. All we held together, slipping into flame. We built it on illusions, on steel and silent fear. Ignored the quiet signals that kept becoming clear. Now nature writes her verses in thunder and decay, and still we dance like nothing stands in our way. We dream in smoke and gasoline, pretending we are still pristine.